Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the seat and back cushions so you can work on the cover without strain. Unzip the outer cover fully. Once done, slide the zipper all the way to the seam to free fabric. Next, peel back any Velcro strips and undo foam retaining straps. Make sure to keep each fastener with its matching piece. Doing this now prevents tearing and keeps the foam aligned when you refit the new cover later. Now work around the frame and seams methodically. Start at a corner and free one seam at a time, because ripping across can damage the fabric or foam. Use a flat plastic tool to nudge seams apart and protect upholstery. Metal tools risk snags. If the cover has multiple panels or similar colors, label them as you go so you know orientation. Once all seams and fasteners are free, lift the cover off gently. To install the new cover, position the largest panel first and align its seams and zipper exactly as the original. Pull fabric snug, tuck corners neatly, and slowly zip while smoothing to prevent catches. Reattach Velcro strips and foam straps in their original positions so the cushions sit correctly. Once zipped, smooth wrinkles and sit lightly to seat the foam. If seams pucker or zipper binds, loosen nearby tension, reposition the panel, then red iron for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.